Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to free up some space in your C drive by following some simple techniques and without installing any third-party softwares. This is Ruthi. Welcome to Ruthi Studios. Let's get started. The first option is using run command. For this option, open run command prompt by clicking Windows or keyboard shortcut, or you can open it from the start menu too. Once run command prompt is opened, just type temp and hit enter. It may ask for permissions sometimes, so give required access without any hassle. Once required permissions are provided, a new window will be opened containing a bunch of files. These are the files that were created for temporary usage while you work upon a number of programs. Now we need to select all these files by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl A and delete them. Don't worry guys, there is no harm in deleting these files as they are just temporary files. If there are a huge number of files, then be patient and wait for all of them to get cleared. Sometimes there may be files which doesn't get deleted due to some technical reason. In this case, a pop-up will be displayed seeking your advice. You just skip deleting them by clicking a checkbox saying do this for all the future files and click skip button. Once everything is deleted, just close the window as we are done here. So simple, right? Let's move on to the next one. The second option is also using run command again. This is more similar to the first one but with a slight change. Similar to the first option, open run command prompt by clicking on Windows or you can also open it by using the start menu. Once run command is opened, now just type %temp % and hit enter. So this is the only change from option 1. Now you will be asked for permissions sometimes, and after providing required permissions, a new window will be opened with a bunch of files in it. This window will also have a number of files which are not required or they are temporary files. So there is no need to worry if you delete them. Now follow the same steps which we did for step 1. So finally we cleared out everything present in the folder and now we are done with option 2. Hope you are having fun and let's move on to the next one. Now also we are going to use run command and I promise this is the last time. Open run command prompt and then type prefetch and then hit enter. So once you hit enter, a new window will be opened with a bunch of files. This window will also have a number of files which are not required or temporary ones. Follow the same steps which we did for step 1 and delete all the files. Once all the files present in this particular window are deleted, then we are done with option 3. So option 3 is completed and let's move on to the next option of how to increase free up space in C drive. Now option 4 is all about uninstalling unwanted softwares or the softwares which you rarely use that take up a lot of space in your C drive. So for that you need to go to start menu and type settings. So you will see a setting apps in the best matches. So click on the settings app where you will be launched with all the consolidated Windows settings at one place. In this consolidated Windows settings, just find out apps and click on apps so that you will be landed on a apps and future page where all the apps installed in your particular computer will be displayed. Among all the apps installed in your computer, just search for the software which you rarely use or do not require using it. So I have some of the softwares which I does not require, so I am going to uninstall them. Just click on any of the software which you don't want and then click on uninstall. It will ask for some of the credentials, then provide all the required credentials and follow the steps displayed on screen to successfully uninstall the particular software. This uninstall process clears a lot of space, that providing free space in C drive. Let's move on to the next option. This option is a well-known option to everyone and maybe probably doing it daily. So it is nothing but cleaning out the items present in a recycle bin. So whenever you delete a particular item present in a folder, it will not be permanently deleted from the computer, but instead it will be moved from that particular folder to the recycle bin folder. So that recycle bin will be holding all of the files which you have deleted. So if you delete these recycle bin items, you will get a lot of free space. To delete all the items of a recycle bin, go to start menu and then type recycle bin so that you will see the recycle bin option in your search results. Click on it and you will be prompted with a window showing all the list of files present in it. These are all the files that you have deleted as a part of your day-to-day work. Now we're gonna delete all these files just by selecting all of them using Ctrl A keyboard shortcut and then right click on it and then select delete. Once all these items are deleted from your recycle bin, you'll get a lot of free space. Sometimes it may ask for permissions, so just provide required access to delete all those files. Once all the required permissions are provided, the computer will delete all the items present in the recycle bin, providing you a lot of free space in your C drive. That's all about recycle bin, and let's move on to the next one. The next option is optimizing C drive. To optimize C drive, open File Explorer and then go to this PC where you will see your C drive. Right click on C drive and choose Properties. In the Properties panel, go to Tools tab and under Optimize and Defragment section, you will see an option called Optimize. Just click on it. Once you click on Optimized, you will see an option listing all the drives present on your computer. Among those drives, select C drive and then click Optimize. Sometimes it may ask for permissions. If you are prompted with permissions, just provide required permissions. If not, you are good to go. Your C drive will start optimization process and it will take some time depending upon your system performance. Once optimization process is complete, close the window as we are done here. Let's move on to the next one. The next option is disk cleanup. This is the last option to get some free space in your C drive. So for this option, just go to Start menu and then start typing disk cleanup. Once disk cleanup option appears in the search results, click on it. Once you click on it, it will show a window asking you to select the required drive to clean up. Since we are trying to clean up C drive, select C drive and then click on OK. Our system will perform a quick scan and then show a window to select the list of files you want to clean. From the list, select all the file types by ticking the checkbox. Once you are done with checking all the checkboxes, click on OK present at the bottom of the modal window. After clicking on OK, a confirmation window will be shown to permanently delete these files. Click Delete Files option, after which our system will delete all the files that you have selected, thus by creating a lot of free space in your C drive. Sometimes it may ask for some permissions. Just give required permissions so that the computer will delete all the required files without any hassle. It may take some time depending upon the performance of your system and also the size of each file that you have selected in the previous window. So once all these files are deleted, the window will automatically get closed, indicating that the cleanup has successfully completed. So that's all about this option. That's all guys, we have reached the end of this session. So we have seen a number of ways how to clean up disk space in your C drive and get some free space. Hope this helps. See you in the next one. Until then, take care, bye bye. But don't forget to subscribe to Ruthi Studios and hit the bell icon so that you will get the latest video updates right into your inbox.